Well, it's the 12th of June. It is 5 days after Logan's surgery, and this is an update. I hope this isn't shaky as all can be because I'm on my cell phone. So he's doing good. I had an update I was going to post before, but I just haven't had a chance to get it up, so I'm just going to kind of update stuff here. So the day after surgery, which was the 8th, he was doing good, feeling good. Then into the weekend, they got him, physical therapy got him up Saturday and Sunday. No, didn't get him up on Saturday. Yeah, got him up on Saturday, got him up on Sunday, and today is Monday. And they got him up, and he's going to have, that was occupational therapy. I don't know the difference between occupational and physical. I have no idea. So, right now, I'm trying to make it down to the hospital before 1 because that's his next physical therapy appointment, just to try to get him up. But he's doing good, though. I mean, for what he had done, he had a total femur replacement, got all the cancer out, which was good, and that's what the doctors told us. Everything looked good, and the incision went from about mid-knee up to his hip, so it's quite a large incision. So, but then the doctors came in today and they're talking about inpatient physical therapy. I don't know what that consists of. My wife was down there. I really haven't talked to her that much about it, to where he might be in the hospital for 2 weeks. And that's kind of, that's a super strain. I don't know how the heck I'm going to pull that off between work and trying to go down there. Because I obviously still got to work. I got to pay the bills, unfortunately. But then they're talking about him needing a recliner, that because he's in a position to where he's not going to be able to bend past 30% for like 6 weeks. So I think we're going to have to, occupational therapy was talking about getting him a recliner that actually sits him up or stands him up into, like, gets him up into a standing position. So I don't know how the heck I'm going to afford that. I don't know. I'm going to have to research it. I have no idea what they cost. So, and I know insurance is not going to cover a recliner. So we're getting into the unknown again. You know, from what the surgeon said, oh yeah, he's going to be in and out 5 days. It's not looking to be that way. It all depends on how he progresses. I mean, he's progressing very well right now. I mean, he's to the point where he can move. You know, he can move the bottom of his leg pretty decent. He says he does feel pressure at the knee, so I think we still have some fluid on the knee. He does have drains put in his leg to actually drain some of the fluid out of it. So yeah, it's just this is gonna be the 5th day in the hospital, and it's he's progressing well, though. They did take the epidural out this morning, so we're gonna see how that goes. He wasn't really supposed to have the epidural that long, but it might have been beneficial, just because, you know, he doesn't have any pain, discomfort. But now they had taken that what you want to call out, the epidural out. So now he's going to be on pain meds, oral pain meds, for a little bit. See how it goes. Actually, he's pretty tough, because he it just seems that he doesn't have much pain. He hasn't had much pain through the whole thing, through the chemotherapy, you know, ever since February. He hasn't had much pain after he started getting chemotherapy. So, which is good. But now it's a different story, where he doesn't have a femur anymore, and he's got, you know, an artificial knee and leg bone. So I don't know how that's going to go. None of us know how it's going to go. So it's just going to be day by day right now. That's all we can do. And it seems to be like not too many kids have this problem. The doctor has done a bunch of them, but I don't, it's hard to say, because it seems like the physical therapy team is not quite on the pediatric side, not quite familiar with trying to get them up and moving. I don't know. It's hard to gauge that. I'm not sure. But everything's going as good as it can be expected. This is just an update. This is 6/12, so June 12th, 5 days after the surgery. He had surgery on the 7th. So, just a quick update, but he's doing good. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, YouTube. You know, just watch videos, and that gives me ad revenue to a certain extent. So I appreciate all the support. And we'll go from there. I don't know when the next update's going to be. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.